All right, so we are correcting lesson 210 from Friday right now. Remember, if you have questions, you can pop them into the chat or go ahead and share them out loud.
Ms. Triplet?
Yes.
For number 1, you accidentally put 17 when it's supposed to be 27.
Oh, you're right. Thank you. I forgot to add my ones. Look at that. So that should be 17. That should be 28. 27, 28 for a final answer of 28 and 1/28. Thank you for checking my work. Love it. For the estimating, I gave you kind of 2 options depending on where you rounded to. I would say it needs to be one of those 2 for your answer though. All right, any other questions? Oh, you can't see the last one, can you? There you go. These should all have labels on them. Okay, labels, make sure you're labeling your answers. Number 7, it asked, what is the greatest and least distance? Not what car color, what distance. So make sure that you put down your 29 7/10 and 29 1/10, not black car and blue car.
Ms. Triplet?
Yes.
For number 7, you accidentally put 29 and 6/10.
You're right, I did. Thank you for checking my work again. Oh, nope, that was right there, right? That was supposed to be a 1. It was over here. That's going to change that. That should be a 1. Look at that, I switched them. So my answer should be 6/10 feet. I love it, I love it. What I like the most about it is it means you guys aren't just looking at my answers and not caring about correcting. It shows me when you're really correcting and really thinking, uh-oh, what did I do wrong? And then you look and see, oh, wait, Miss Triplet did something wrong. I didn't do anything wrong. All right, any other questions? All right, so today's a little bit different because we are at the end of Unit 2. I see that I have 32 students on right now, and I'm going to put each one of you in your own individual breakout room, and you may not leave until it is time for us to come back and I excuse you, okay? You need to stay on working with me. I know that, well, let me look at my schedule real quick. Nope, nobody even goes to Mrs. D today. So nobody should be leaving from my 32 students that I have on here until I come back and excuse you to go, okay? I'm gonna give you guys 2 things that you're working on, 2 things to work on. The first, and this is what you must do first, it's not your option what order you do them in. The first thing you must do is take the Quick Quiz 3 in Think Central. Okay, that is your number 1, Quick Quiz 3 in Think Central. Your number 2 thing that you're going to be doing is in your student activity book, we're going to start working on those review pages, and you're going to do page 59, 60, and 61. So the first 3 pages. So in our planners, let's go ahead and write these 2 things in our planners in case you're in your breakout room and you forget, what was I supposed to do? Your first thing, again, it has to be the first thing you do, is go to Think Central and take Quick Quiz 3. There's only 4 questions. And guys, hopefully you've learned, if you're not putting the effort into it, you're gonna have to take it again, okay? So please make sure you're looking at what the question is asking for, that you're thinking about it, and that you're putting in a thoughtful answer. One way that I can really tell, and I probably shouldn't tell you this because now you're going to change it up, but some of you for your answers, I can tell you're not thinking about it because you'll just hit like 4, 5, 6 or 1, 2, 3. You just hit numbers in a row on the keyboard. So that kind of shows me you're not even trying, okay? So if you're one of those people who's not even trying, I'm on to you. Let's change that up, okay, guys, because it's not helping. And you guys probably noticed on the check-in that I sent out this week, I put your actual grades on tests. So you got a target, a basic, or a limited, and I put that on your check-in sheet. So what grades do you want your parents to be seeing? I would want my parents to see targets. Hopefully you guys are the same. So first thing is Quick Quiz 3. Second thing is your student activity book. Not in the homework book, in the student activity book. And we are doing pages 59, 60, and 61. So 59 to 61, okay? Do not do your student activity book until your Think Central is finished. Think Central comes first, okay? If you get stuck on something and you're not sure what to do, you can request that I come and join your breakout room. But again, I have 32 people on this call. You need to stay in your breakout room until I bring you back, okay? Do not leave your breakout room early.